In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Adobe Support from Creative Cloud Desktop. If you ever run into a billing question, a sign-in issue, or a problem with one of your Adobe apps, the quickest way to reach help is often directly through the Creative Cloud Desktop app. This method is simple, built-in, and convenient because it takes you straight to Adobe's support options without needing to search around online. To get started, launch Creative Cloud Desktop on your device. If it's not already open, go ahead and open the app the same way you normally would. Give it a moment to fully load so all the menus and account options appear properly. Once the app is open, log in if prompted. Depending on your setup, you may already be signed in, but if not, enter your Adobe account credentials to continue. Being logged in is important because it helps Adobe connect your support request to your account, products, and subscription details. If you're on a shared computer, make sure you're signing into the correct account before moving on. After that, look for Help in the top menu bar. On Windows, you'll usually find this at the top of the Creative Cloud app window. On Mac, it will appear in the menu bar at the very top of your screen. This is a small detail, but it can save you time if you're wondering why the menu doesn't look the same across devices. Click Help and then select Contact Us. This will open Adobe's built-in support option from within the desktop app. It's a direct way to begin getting assistance, and it's especially useful when you want help tied to the Adobe software already installed on your system. Once you click Contact Us, a live support session will open in the right side corner of the screen. This is where you can begin interacting with Adobe Support. In many cases, you'll be able to describe your issue, follow prompts, and connect with the appropriate support channel from there. Be as clear and specific as possible when describing the problem so the support process goes more smoothly. And that's it. By opening Creative Cloud Desktop, signing in, going to Help, and choosing Contact Us, you can quickly start a live Adobe support session right from the app. If you're following along, take your time with each screen and make sure the session window fully appears on the right before moving forward.